Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this video I will show you how I got unlimited coins for ReelShort, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Zaptweek. Then type in search ReelShort and you will find the online tool. And now just click install now and wait for this installing. Okay, I test this many times and it works perfectly in both Android and iOS devices, guys. So make sure to subscribe to my channel to support this channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this Zaptweek is an amazing website for this. Okay guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have a description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok and complete the task, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and I got this message. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification complete. Next step, check your home screen. Okay guys, as you can see, I downloaded Travel Town and TikTok and I got this ReelShort plus just open and enjoying in your unlimited coins. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.